Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishna here from Mookambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam. 23rd Adimasam, 8th August 2025, Friday. Vishwasanama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Grishma Ridu, Adimasam, that is Kadakamasam, Shukla Bhaksham, Tithi up to 2:49 p.m. Chaturdashi. Then Paurnami, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday. Nakshatram up to 3:45 p.m. Uttradam, then Tiruvonam Nakshatram. Today's Rahukalam. Today's Rahukalam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Gulika 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise 6:05 a.m. Today's Chandrashtamam for Midhuna Rashi, Prayachitam Jangari, special Paurnami Varalakshmi Vradam.